Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video we will see how to make Iyengar bakery special masala bun or potato bun. Firstly, we will take milk 1 cup. To that I am adding yeast, dry yeast 1 teaspoon. To that sugar I am adding 1 teaspoon and a pinch of salt. So we will mix it together and keep it aside. Now we'll take wheat flour 1.5 cups. So this will serve around 5 people. So salt I am adding 1 teaspoon. To that we will be adding yeast mixture. So we have kept yeast mixture for 10 to 15 minutes. Then we will mix it and make it a dough. So you can add water according to the consistency and knead it like this for around 5 to 10 minutes. Now grease the vessel in which you are going to keep the dough and then cover it with a lid and rest for 1 hour. So meanwhile we'll prepare the masala. For that I have taken 1 tablespoon of oil, 1 teaspoon of mustard for seasoning. Now we'll add green chilies chopped, curry leaves sauteed, and then add ginger garlic paste half a teaspoon. Just saute it until that odor goes off. Now we'll add onions. Onions I have taken 2. Just saute it until it is golden brown. So after it becomes golden brown, we'll add turmeric half teaspoon, garam masala 1 teaspoon, and again mix it well. Salt 1 teaspoon. Just give it a quick mix, and then we'll add an important ingredient, that is boiled potatoes. I have taken 3 boiled potatoes here. Just mix it well. Yes, our stuffing is ready. Now we'll take a plate and then grease it with oil, keeping a butter paper on it. Now we'll preheat the idli vessel in which I am putting salt. Just spread the salt like this and then cover with a lid. As there is a hole, we'll close it with a tumbler. Now we'll preheat it and then we'll see our dough is ready. Yes, the size has doubled now. We'll punch the dough like this. Yes. Now we'll knead it for another 5 minutes. Like this, knead it well. And then you can roll it. The whole dough we can take like this and roll it like this. Just after you roll it, cut it. Cut it uniformly. Now take a portion of it and then tuck like this uniformly. So now we'll fill the aloo or potato stuffing that we have prepared. Just make uniform stuffed dough. So pull it from all sides like this and close it at the bottom. Close it properly like this and give it a proper round shape like that of bun. Yes, our bun is ready. So we will make the same kind of buns like this, and then after you make it, you brush it with some milk on top. This will not crack the bun from top. So after we brush it, we'll keep for second proofing for 10 minutes. So after we keep it for 10 minutes, again the size has increased now. Now we'll open the preheated idli vessel. We'll open it and then keep the plate in which we have kept the buns to be baked. Now we'll cover with the lid and bake it for 30 minutes at medium flame. So after it is done, we'll take it out and then spread some butter on top of it like this. Yes, our buns are beautifully and properly baked here. Our yummy buns are ready now. Try it at home and let me know how it was in the comment section. If you have liked this video, please hit like, do share, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button for more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day.